In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make auto-scroll carousel in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clean, hands-free image carousel that advances on its own, perfect for showcasing products, portfolios, or testimonials. No custom code required. Start on the page where you want the carousel. Open the editor and add a new section. When the section chooser opens, pick the Images category. This gives you a set of gallery-based layouts to start from. Choose a template that closely matches the look you want. Don't worry. You can change the layout style in a moment, so just pick a simple gallery to get going. With the section in place, open the gallery for editing. This is where you manage the actual images. Remove any placeholder images you don't need, then upload your own. For the smoothest scrolling experience, try to use images that share a similar aspect ratio, so the carousel doesn't jump in height between slides. Keep file sizes optimized for web to help pages load quickly. And add descriptive titles or captions now if you plan to display captions later. You can also drag to reorder the images so the sequence tells the story you want. When your images look good, close the gallery to return to the section settings. Next, open the section for editing to refine how the gallery behaves. Find the current gallery type control and switch it to slideshow. Simple. This layout is designed for a clean single slide view, and it supports the autoplay behavior we're after. Now, head into the Captions area within the slideshow settings. Even if you don't plan to show captions, this panel groups key display controls together. Look for the autoplay option and turn it on. That's the switch that makes your carousel advance automatically without user input. Right below, adjust the slide duration to set the pacing. Shorter durations feel energetic, longer durations feel calmer and allow more time to read any text on the image. A range around 3 to 5 seconds is a solid starting point, but match it to your content and audience. If your images contain small details or text, lean a bit slower so nothing gets missed. That's it. Your gallery is now a smooth, auto-scrolling carousel. Give it a quick check on desktop and mobile to make sure the timing feels right everywhere. If the motion feels too fast or too slow, pop back into the slideshow settings and tweak the duration. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Squarespace carousel.